But as I walk through your door, you tell me it's over, over, over.
Niagara Falls, Canada's Wonderland. Cup and Saucer, Manitoulin Island, Rotary Trail Park, Toronto Zoo, Task Tulip Festival, CN Tower, Ripley's Aquarium, or walk and explore Ontario, Canada with LUCIL's HIVE.
Are you looking to get outdoors and enjoy Lake Simcoe? At Innisfil Beach Park, you can spend the day swimming, boating, or visiting with friends and family. The beach is located at 676 Innisfil Beach Road and offers free parking for all Innisfil residents who display their resident parking pass. If you're from out of town, you must pay to park within Innisfil Beach Park. View our municipal lots and rates for more details about where to park. Make sure that everyone knows the rules and has a fun and safe visit to the park. Tents are allowed at Innisfil Beach Park as they meet the following regulations. Tents can be no larger than 10 by 10 feet. The interior of the tent must be visible from the outside. Pets are allowed. Dogs must be on a leash no longer than 2 meters 6 feet and are not allowed on sports fields within 15 meters 50 feet of the water's edge or on beach areas. No motorized vehicles within the parkland. No portable barbecues, camp stoves, cookers, or smokers. And no alcohol or smoking while in the park includes cigarettes, cannabis, and hookah pipes. Closing parenthesis. And no littering. No fireworks. Portable toilets and containment vessels are not allowed. We went early to avoid rush hour. My husband is driving the truck with the boat while my father-in-law gives the signal for docking.
Hi, Seth.
My son is sitting pretty on the boat. That's my father and my father-in-law. My mom was really terrified. That's my man, my loving husband.
Go from here to the other side is like 4 hours.
Oh yeah?
The brand new marina.
Friday Harbor wasn't designed to be a place. It was designed to be a destination you look forward to visiting all year round, where you can unwind and truly feel relaxed. Whether you arrive to take in the peaceful serenity of the lake, spend hours in the nature preserve, or mingle with friends over a gourmet meal, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy your days. At Innisfil's Friday Harbor, you'll look forward to every day, because every day feels like Friday.
That interpreter that does?
Yeah.
She owns one of them. She rents it out.
Oh really?
That interpreter that does?
Yeah.
She owns one. She rents it out.
Oh really? Restaurant.
back.
What?
Drip. Press roll. Step back forward. Forward. Go, come back.